Ready? The government or comma where the provisions of section 4 have been invoked comma the armed forces or civil armed forces comma as the case may be comma subject to the specific or general order of the government in this regard for a period not exceeding 3 months and after recording reasons comma therefore comma thereof comma issue order for the preventive detention of any person who has been concerned in any offence under this act relating to the security or defence of Pakistan or any part thereof comma or public order relating to target killing comma kidnapping for ransom comma and extortion slash bhatta comma or the maintenance of supplies or services comma or against whom a reasonable complaint has been made or credible information has been received comma or a reasonable suspicion exists of his having been so concerned comma for purpose of inquiry colon provided that the detention of such person comma including detention for further period after 3 months comma shall be subject to the provisions of article 10 of the constitution full stop. The inquiry under subsection 1 may be conducted by a police officer not below the rank of superintendent of police or through a joint interrogation team to be notified by the government comprising a police officer not below the rank of superintendent of police and officers of other investigation agencies and the powers of the inquiry officer will be vested as per section 5 of the Federal Investigation Agency under bracket FIA Act comma 1974 full stop provided that where the detention order has been issued by the armed forces or civil armed forces under subsection 1 comma the inquiry shall be conducted by the joint interrogation team under bracket JIT comprising members of armed forces or civil armed forces comma as the case may be comma intelligence agencies and other law enforcement agencies comma including a police officer not below the rank of superintendent of police full stop. The provision of subsection 1 and 2 shall remain in force for such period as may be notified by the government from time to time colon provided that such period shall not exceed 2 years from the commencement of the anti-terrorism under bracket amendment act comma 2014 full stop paragraph. The detainee shall be produced in camera before the presiding officer of the court or in his absence before the district and sessions judge or the magistrate appointed under the Sharia Nizam-e Adl regulation 2009 comma within 24 hours of his detention comma and before the presiding officer of the court if and when any extension in the period of detention is requested full stop during inquiry the concerned police officer not below the rank of superintendent of police or equivalent officer of the law enforcement agencies or the members of JIT as the case may be, shall have all the powers relating to search, arrest of persons and seizure of property and other relevant material connected with the commission of offence and shall have all the powers as a police officer has in relation to the investigation of offences under the code or any other law for the time being in force, provided that the detainee shall be kept in a detention center so notified by the government and the presiding officer of the court or the magistrate, as the case may be referred in subsection 3 shall have the authority to inspect the detention centers to ensure that the custody in accordance with the law for the time being in force, full stop. Any person detained under this section shall be provided facility of medical checkup as may be prescribed by rules, full stop.